Dear customers, greetings from KrisKo software. In this video demonstration, I am going to show you how to view different reports. To perform that, first you need to log into our software solution, which is deployed over SaaS delivery model. So go to the website called kriskosoft.com and then click into the login button. And you provide your designated login and password. So here I am going to use the demo login. After successful login, you can look into the my report section. If I click into the my report section, you view there are different types of reports. Accounting report, accounts report, then account statement, audit report, client report, collection center report, FAQ report that will come after some time, company assets, doctor report, inquiry, follow-up reports, hospital admin, HR reports, inpatient reports. There are so many inpatient reports, medical test reports, outpatient reports, payroll reports, pharmacy reports, purchase reports, and stock report. Now, what we have observed, not all these reports are applicable to all the staff members of your hospital, and also not all reports are your staff member are looking into the daily basis. So in this video lecture, I am going to cover those reports which customers use in a daily basis. Later I will go to the each and every report in details and and create some other videos, a demonstration for it. First, if you look into the hospital admin, under hospital admin there is one report is called hospital daily collection register. That is a very important report. If you see hospital daily collection register, you click here, and this report says that in a particular day how much transaction has been performed. And if you by default the date comes is that the date when the software is getting executed, that is today I am executing, so it is coming as 27th of July 2019. And if I click into the view summary, I'll get a summary of that report. If I click into the view details, I can details transactions I can view it, and I can export the summary. Whatever the summary is there in that view summary, I can export into an Excel file, and whatever is there in the view details, I can export into the export details. So let me go to the view summary. If I look into the view summary, I see this is the intra transaction happened today, and its transaction, it shows that 27,553 rupees, and total cash transaction. POS collection is it is a swipe card and all this transaction. There is no transaction happen on that, and the total transaction amount we can view. Details. Now if I go details in as long as the number of transaction is concerned. Now for each transaction, if there is any details of this thing, then I can click into the view details. If I click into the view details, you see there is a column in the rightmost is called details. It actually shows that exactly details report what it's there in details one. So in that way you can sort also. You can sort with respect to the procedure charges. You can sort with respect to the consultation fees. It is a very just click into the consultation fees, it will give you a sorting like that. Medicine bill, if you just click, it will give you a sorting in that manner. So in this way you can look into the hospital daily collection register, which is an important report. Apart from that report, another important report is that what is the all admitted patient for inpatient report. You can look into the all the admitted patient as of now in this hospital, and what is the name, admission number, admission date, patient name, MR number, what is the invoice number corresponding to that, what is the guardian name, what is the bed number, and who is the doctor responsible for this patient. Then apart from that, you can look into other reports is called medical test report, hospital date-wise medical test. You can give a date range. Suppose if I give from 20th of July to 28th, how many medical test has been performed. This many medical test has been performed, and what was the cost, and this thing has been viewable. So in that way, you can look into the OPD date-wise appointment. How many appointments happened? You can give from 1st of July to 28th of July. You can choose a doctor also from here. So suppose I choose a doctor here is that Ramanath, and if I view report, I can see this many appointment happened, and I can also export it to Excel. I can take a printout as well. Now let me tell you very important message here is that not all these reports are accessible to all of the member of the hospital staff. Based on the role and responsibilities of a hospital staff, all these reports are available. This is the number one point, which is very important. Number two point is also extremely important. That is that all these reports are extremely customizable based on your unique requirement. For example, after looking into all these reports, if you think that okay, I want to know that a specific kind of information, I'm looking for it, and which is not there in this report, we can create that report with a very less turnaround time. Okay, now I will also tell you about one report called View FAQ. It is a FAQ report. It is very extremely useful for the hospital staff, those who are using this software day-to-day basis. These are the different categories: how to set up a hospital, how to set up a medical test, how to set up a medical test, how to add a new medical test. These are very well explained. This is the FAQ items. And after that, you can look into the login history, who actually logged into at what time, that you can have a details look into it. So this is all about the reports in brief. In case you have any specific question, always drop us an email. Our email ID is support@kriskosoft.com. That is support@kriskosoft.com. Thank you very much.